Unveiling Mexico's economic landscape. A deep dive into growth factors and challenges. Hola amigos! Welcome back to our channel. And today we're diving into the vibrant and dynamic world of Mexico's economy. From its rich cultural heritage to its bustling markets, Mexico has a lot to offer. But what about its economic landscape? Let's explore the factors shaping Mexico's economy, the challenges it faces, and the potential for growth. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all things economics and beyond. Now let's jump right in. Overview of Mexico's economy. To kick things off, let's take a look at the big picture. Mexico is the 15th largest economy globally and the second largest in Latin America. Its economic structure is diverse, with a mix of industries ranging from manufacturing to services and agriculture. One of the key drivers of Mexico's economy is its close ties to the United States through trade agreements like NAFTA, now USMCA, which has a significant impact on the country's economic performance. What do telecommunications, television, and tortillas have in common? They are all industries in Mexico that are dominated by one or a few private players. Although Mexico's government has long been called on to address monopolistic practices in the economy, the new government of Felipe Calderón has not made anti-competition issues a priority. With the public outcry over a recent huge spike in the price of tortillas, a basic Mexican food staple, this could change. With a population of almost 130 million, a rich cultural history and diversity, and abundant natural resources, Mexico is among the 15 largest economies in the world and the second largest economy in Latin America. The country has solid macroeconomic institutions, is open to trade, and has a diversified manufacturing base connected to global value chains. Key growth factors. Mexico's gross domestic product, GDP, was $1.414 trillion in 2022, making it the 14th largest country in the world by GDP, following South Korea at $1.665 trillion, according to World Bank statistics. Now let's delve into the factors contributing to Mexico's economic growth. One major player is the manufacturing sector, particularly the automotive industry. Mexico has become a manufacturing hub for many global companies due to its strategic location, skilled labor force, and trade agreements. Additionally, the growth of the technology sector and the rise of e-commerce are creating new opportunities for innovation and investment. Today, Mexico has a large, diversified, and strong economy with its oil sector, remittances from the United States, exports, agriculture, mining, tourism, and industrial activity playing the most significant roles in its growth. Opportunities for growth. But it's not all doom and gloom. Mexico has a wealth of opportunities for growth. Initiatives like the government's infrastructure projects, efforts to improve education and innovation, and ongoing trade agreements are poised to drive economic development. Additionally, the country's young and dynamic workforce presents a significant asset for attracting foreign investment and fostering entrepreneurship. One of Mexico's greatest assets is its young and dynamic workforce. With a median age of around 28, the country is in the midst of a demographic dividend. This youthful population provides a significant opportunity for innovation, productivity, and sustained economic growth. The global shift toward digitalization and technological innovation opens up vast opportunities for Mexico. Embracing the digital economy, investing in tech infrastructure, and fostering a culture of innovation can position Mexico as a leader in the fourth industrial revolution. The tech sector holds the key to unlocking new economic frontiers. Mexico's strategic location and established manufacturing capabilities make it a pivotal player in global trade. Opportunities abound in expanding manufacturing sectors, especially in automotive, aerospace, and electronics. Strengthening trade relations, diversifying export markets, and participating in global value chains can drive economic expansion. Recent years have seen Mexico implementing various economic reforms. These include initiatives to attract foreign investment, improve infrastructure, and enhance education and innovation. The government's efforts reflect a commitment to addressing challenges and fostering a more competitive and resilient economy. Challenges and considerations. One of the persistent challenges Mexico faces is corruption. Despite ongoing efforts to tackle this issue, Corruption remains a concern, impacting everything from business operations to public trust. Addressing governance and corruption is crucial for fostering a transparent and attractive environment for both domestic and foreign investors. Income inequality is another significant consideration. While Mexico has made strides in reducing poverty, a substantial wealth gap persists. Addressing this issue is vital not only for social justice, but also for fostering a more stable and inclusive economy. Policies that promote equitable access to education, healthcare, and job opportunities are essential. Mexico's economy is not immune to external economic factors. Fluctuations in global commodity prices, economic downturns in major trading partners, and currency exchange rate volatility can all influence Mexico's economic performance. Building resilience and diversifying economic strategies are key considerations in navigating these external challenges. Mexico economy in 2050. As we look to the future, Mexico stands at a crossroads. With its young and dynamic workforce, strategic location, and ongoing reforms, the country has the potential for continued economic growth. However, addressing challenges like corruption and inequality will be crucial for achieving sustained development. The World Bank has been supporting Mexico's efforts to deepen financial inclusion and expand access to finance, which has been a critical bottleneck for growth and poverty reduction. The bank has supported Mexico's expansion of needed financial access to poor and rural populations, women, youth, and micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises, MSMEs. The Mexican economy is in the midst of a broad-based expansion. Growth is expected to be 3.2% in 2023, led by robust private consumption and investment, with notable strength in service sectors, construction, and auto production. Mexico is the leading home appliance exporter in Latin America and the sixth globally. It is the leading flat television screen exporter in the world, the second refrigerator exporter, the fourth global exporter of computers. 8 of the top 10 transnational electronics manufacturing services, CMs, have operations in Mexico. The world economy could more than double in size by 2050, far outstripping population growth, due to continued technology-driven productivity improvements. Mexico will be the 5th largest economy by 2050. According to Accenture, Mexico will be one of the Big Six in 2025. According to HSBC, Mexico will be the 8th largest economy in the world by 2050. As we wrap up our exploration of Mexico's economy, it's clear that the country is navigating a complex landscape with both challenges and opportunities. Whether it's the thriving manufacturing sector or the push for technological innovation, Mexico is a fascinating case study in economic dynamics. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Hasta luego! Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of economics with us.